All right, welcome back. Next trade is GBPAUD. GBPAUD, I'm looking to buy. Coming down to the weekly. We are at a very clean zone. I like this area that this market is at. I like it. The last time this market got to this zone, which was here, we had these beautiful rejections. Then before we have this push to the upside, now we're having a lower low, lower high on the weekly. This is now weekly lower high. Okay, weekly is bullish. You can see the zone whenever we're above it, using it as a support. Coming down to the daily. The daily is also bullish. The daily is bullish as well. Daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, and we're at a very clean zone. So we have a breakout of the zone. So I'm just simply waiting for the market to pull all the way to the zone. And on the daily, we're at a very clean area. Whenever we're above, we are using it as a support. Whenever we're above, support. Whenever we're above, so support. Whenever we are below, as a resistance. Alright, so whenever we are below as a resistance, whenever we are below, when broke below retest as a resistance, whenever we are below as a resistance, and whenever we are above as a support. Coming down to the 4-hour. So weekly is bearish, daily is bullish, 4-hour is bullish. 4-hour we are having this as our higher high, and this is our higher low. So what I'm simply waiting for right now is for this market to take out this zone. Take out this one as a retest. I'll be going in for my buy. Let's see. Let's enjoy this. This is for 50. Okay, like 70. That is 70 pip. So once I have this breakers at the retest, I'll be going in for my buy on GBPAUD. This looks really good. Whenever we're above this area, we'll retest this zone for a buy, push to the upside. Whenever we're above, we are buying. Whenever we are below, retest, we sell. So the next trade, EURAUD, very, very interesting market. All right, I'm selling this market regardless of the fact that we are bullish, just a little bit close above. So come down to the weekly. Coming down to the weekly. All right, the weekly is bearish. And we're at a very clean support and resistance. Because this zone, whenever we are below it, we're using it to sell, and whenever we are above it, we're using it to buy. Me personally, I prefer to buy this market. I prefer to sell this market, sorry. But this market has a very clean zone, and we are having the daily. The daily is bullish, the weekly is bearish, and the 4-hour on the other hand is bullish as well. So on the daily, we are having something very, very interesting. This zone where we entered this market as last week at this zone, and it reversed from here. We are at a very clean support and resistance zone on the daily as well. Whenever we are above, support. Whenever we are below, resistance. Whenever we are below, resistance, support. All right, so and right now we have this market setting looking like it's going to push to the downside. On the 4-hour, this is one of the reasons why I'm selling. On the 4-hour, we are having a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. Now we have a breakout of this neckline, looking like we've come back for a retest. So as at the retest of this neckline, I'm waiting for this market to actually take out this zone though if I sell. I took this market at this zone last week and it reversed from here, so I'm looking to sell this market. Mind you, this market is on a bullish mode. It's a bullish market. I should be looking for a way to buy this market, not sell it. So I'm going against the trend in EURAUD and EURNZD. The next trade is USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm looking to buy this market this week. Although I'm in on this trade on USD CAD, I entered this trade on Friday for a sell. I was having the analysis for the sell, but I think I might just close out of this market I'll close out of this trade when the market opens. So on the weekly, we are bullish. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low, and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. This market has a very interesting pattern of buying from this particular zone. The daily, on the other hand, the daily is bearish. Weekly is bullish. Daily, this has been the lower low, this has been the lower high, and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. Mind you, on the daily, we also have a head and shoulder. We also have a head and shoulder pattern, and this is the neckline right here. Broke out of the neckline. Now it's coming back for a retest to push to the upside. Going to the 4 hours, coming down to the 4 hours. On the 4-hour, we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. The 4-hour is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, 4-hour is bullish. So 2 time frame is telling me to buy this market, and I like the area the market is at. All right, so 5 markets have just been broken down. So stay tuned if you want to trade these markets with me live. Okay, there will be a description down below on my Telegram. Click on it, join me, we'll make some money together. That's pretty much it for this week. I'm wishing you a very, very, very profitable week. It's Sunday, 7 p.m. So I'll see you on Monday in a few hours. Stay tuned, stay blessed, enjoy the rest of your week. Peace out for now. And if you haven't already subscribed yet, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video and turn on your notification, because when I come live and post this market live, so you can be able to take this trade with me. All right, peace out for now. Enjoy the rest of your week.